Crop insurance companies are looking to drop some of their business here in Texas. That's because years of drought conditions have resulted in the filing of more claims.
But KCBD News Channel 11's Patricia Perry joins us now to explain why one agent tells her you shouldn't worry. Patricia?
Karen and Abner, Joe Brown, who has owned his crop insurance agency for 18 years, says insurance companies have done this before, but not to this level. He says companies can't keep up. There have been too many claims filed because of weather conditions.
Texas is historically well over a 100% loss ratio, more money paid out than received in. And it's been recently as much as 200 to 250% loss ratios.
So to keep going, Brown says a few insurance companies are having to drop some contracts in Texas.
Some of the biggest companies in this area that have the most market share are wanting to correctly size their book of business back so that they're no longer as exposed.
He says these companies can't just increase rates to stay afloat.
Those rates are not set by the companies. Those rates are set by a national body called RMA, Risk Management Agency, which is a part of the government that manages the crop insurance program.
Then the companies administer that policy, which involves taxpayers paying 60% of crop insurance premiums and farmers paying 40%. And compensation for the companies, Brown says that has been cut in half.
Yet the companies have had continuing increased losses and exposure with roughly half percentage-wise of the former compensation. Very difficult to make a return.
Brown says this will have an impact on agriculture in Texas, including the agents.
That agent is now going to go looking for a company to place the farmer with. And if that becomes terribly difficult, then the farmer now has to make the decision, can I continue to work with my agent?
But he says don't worry. Producers will find an insurer because as these companies decrease business, others are growing business.
There will always be a place for a farmer to find insurance.
Brown says the difficult part might be the change. He says a farmer may have dealt with a specific company and agent for years and now might have to go somewhere else. Karen and Abner.
Thank you, Patricia.